Step 1. Log in to Regent Online. The homepage will pop up. On the extreme top right, click Login.
Step 2. The Login Credentials page will pop up.
Log in using the below credentials format.
Then click Login. Step 3. Click on Dashboard. Click on the tab which will appear on the top right of the screen. Select Library Resources. Welcome to Library Zone, our database access instruction page. Here, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to access our databases, credentials, and hyperlinks, including EBSCOhost, Emerald Insight, and Sabanet. To access Taylor & Francis Open Access eBooks, please click on the attached link. You will be directed to the Taylor & Francis website, where you can find a collection of open access ebooks. Browse through the available titles and select the ebook you wish to read. Enjoy accessing and exploring the valuable open access ebooks from Taylor & Francis. To access Taylor & Francis Open Access journals, simply click on the attached link. You will be redirected to the Taylor & Francis website, where you can browse and search for the desired open access journals. Explore the available articles and publications. Enjoy accessing the valuable resources from Taylor & Francis.